All right, day number 13, the catch-up day. Ketchup. Not ketchup and mustard, the catch-up. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is day 13 in the One Funnel Away Challenge, and it is catch-up day. So basically, nothing's going on. We'll jump in and boom, it's catch-up day. Time to do all your work that you didn't do during the challenge. Totally did it all. Then you got Jim Edwards down here. All he does is explain in his own little way what hook, story, and offer is. What we focused on all of this week is the offer. So he decided to go and teach us what hook and story it was. We'll go over that real quick. Basically what a hook is, it's something that garners attention quickly. Like a headline, a picture, or for YouTube, as an example, the beginning part of a video, which I am absolutely terrible at. I'm sorry. So maybe I need to pay attention to this a little more. Anyways, it could be a question, it could be curiosity works really well, just anything to hook someone's attention and bring them into the rest of the ad, the sales page, or the video. And then we go on to story. A story can involve one of three things. It can be about you, it can be about your customer, like a customer you've helped or something, like a review, or the product itself. He says if it's about you, use your Epiphany Bridge story. That's what he means down here by the EBS. But yeah, it's pretty simple enough. And that's it. It was like a 5-minute video. 5 minutes and 19 seconds, and bam, my day is over. Obviously, we're not completely done with all the homework. We got to do all the product creation. I think we've decided for the most part on our offer. So now it's just a matter of piecing all the things together so we can have our product ready to go. Once we build everything, which is not this week, but next week. Week 3, I think, is when we start actually funnel building. That's it for today. Day number 13, which is day 6 of the actual challenge. I know I've had a little bit of confusion on that, but the first 7 days are the pre-training, and then we had just started the first week this week. So this is day number 6, the catch-up day on week number 1, which is 13 days into the challenge. You see where it gets confusing, right? Anyways, day 13 in the books. We're going to keep calling it that because that's how we started it. And frankly, that's what it is. Guys, like the video, subscribe down below. We're going to be right back here tomorrow. Jim Edwards does have another video in, and I'm actually about to record that now. But yeah, that's today. We'll see y'all in the next one.